Yeah, I mean, if we look at it, see if I can get a good look at her. Look at her. She is kind of moving. But she don't seem to have very much torque. But she is trying. You look at the board here. If I can get a good look at it. I got the 9-volt going into this piece. So yeah, here's the VCC, the ground is being ran here. I have the servo, without getting her stuff messed up, is going to be ran into the breadboard. And obviously it's being ran into the wall there. But I mean, that was the LED. I was fixing to build that, but I didn't get around to it. But yeah. But when I use these, she'll work a little bit better. But it doesn't have Arduino and there's no code, and where's the fun in that if you just use the potentiometer? But if we go here, you see her head bounces, but she don't have no power. I mean, she has power and she just fell apart. But yeah, that was enough. But yeah, I'm not sure exactly what I'm doing wrong. I mean, the power is going to it. The code is there. If you look at it, you can sit there and see that the my servo is going to be here. If I can, things like written away, but the 2 servo includes servo.h intent is going to start at 0, void setup. My attach, that's going to be the 8 pin. My servo 2 attached is going to be 9. Going to the Arduino, so we're setting it up under the loop. Go from 0 to 90. That was original code. I changed it. Now this is going to be because I got the head or the neck going, the y-axis going to pin 8, and I got her shoulder going to pin 9. There's only 2 servos that's being operated that you saw in the video, but I've set it to where, and I changed the original code. You go from 45 to 90, back to 45, or 0 to 90. I switched it to go from 0 to 180. Right here, that would be going straight to the head. That should be moving the head. And in position 2, it should be going 180, 0 to 180, and then it should go from 46 to 90. That should be in the shoulder. That should be doing that. And then we're just going to send it back under after the 3rd delay. Or no, these are through the delay. I set it 3 seconds. They originally had it 40 seconds. That was just too long to wait 40 seconds, so I switched it over to a delay of 3 seconds. And the last little piece right here just goes over the same where it's going to go back to 90, and should be 0 to 90, and just going back to zero. So, I mean, it's basic code. It's not much. It shouldn't be that hard to write. But that's why I just think it has to have something to do with the circuit. Somehow it's not getting the electricity or torque that it should be getting, and I don't know why. But this is what